Hello and welcome to Monday's Financial News Review. Stay tuned as Skyriss brings you the latest market news and insights to power up your week.
Oracle stock closed at $169.01 last Friday, down about 2.2%, as investors reacted to slowing cloud growth and engaged in profit-taking after recent gains. The Nikkei index rose more than 1% to above 54,000 on Monday, recouping losses from last week, as the yen weakened sharply, boosting the outlook for Japan's export-heavy economy. Brent crude oil futures dropped over 5% to below $66 per barrel on Monday, retreating from multi-month highs, as traders monitor developments in U.S.-Iran negotiations that could reduce risk premiums. The New Zealand dollar edged lower to around 60 cents, extending its pullback from a 7-month high in the previous session, as the US dollar regained strength. Bitcoin fell to around $76,000 this Monday, as fading demand, thinning liquidity, and investor uncertainty triggered a sharp sell-off. Now let's review the major economic events of the day. At 3 p.m., the Manufacturing Purchasing Managers Index in the U.S. is expected to increase, after reaching 47.9 in December. At 11 p.m., South Korea will release figures for the annual inflation rate of January, following 2.3% in December. Tomorrow's major economic events. At 3 p.m., the U.S. to release the number of job openings for December, following 7,146,000 in November. At 9:30 p.m., the U.S. will release figures for the crude oil stock change of January 30th, following a deficit of 250,000 barrels in the week ended January 23rd.
And that's it for today's Market News Roundup, presented by Skyriss. Thanks for joining us today, and be sure to tune in again tomorrow for more financial news. We wish you a productive trading week.